Welcome back, students, to our next tutorial. It's Adventure Game Part 3 tutorial. And in this game, we are going to refine our adventure. See that I've already changed the backdrop. If you go to the backdrops, there are 6 backdrops available. And I have chosen a backdrop. I'll just click on the existing backdrop and I have chosen click on backdrops here and you can see all the list of backdrops available for this game. I have chosen this treehouse to start up my game, and then I will switch to this backdrop for playing my game. Okay, because it seems more visible here and more sort of magical among these trees. So I'm gonna use this thing. Okay. So if I choose this one, also you can see I have changed the costume for Chloe for start. So these are the two things that we're going to work on: refining our background and refining the costume and animation for our sprite. Let's move back to the sprite. I'm clicking on Chloe and I want to check the costumes of Chloe. So it has 3 costumes: one, two, and three. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna start with this costume and then use this costume. Second one, and then it's gonna jump and then start running on this one. So starting with the first costume. So what I'm gonna do is that my game will start with this costume, and once the game is started, I want Chloe to say, let's collect the books. So how will it say? I'm going to go on looks. I'm gonna put looks here. Let's say, hi everyone. Hi, I'm in the magical forest to collect all the spell books. Quite mystical, isn't it? So once it is set, and then I'll say another say, can you help me to collect? Or let's go and collect the books. And it's done. Now it will start collecting the book, but before it will start collecting the book, of course, I need to change its costume. So what I'm gonna do it, I will say that in start, okay, again, when we must decide that what is our starting costume. Okay, so my starting costume is when it's just standing. Then I want Chloe to jump one, and after 2 seconds I'm going to put a little weight so that it's visible that it's jumping, and after the jump I'm going to change its costume to, oh, we can reduce the weight to maybe 0.1 second or 0.2 second. It will make things look quick and make the transition between one costume to another costume easy. And then I'll jump to this one, to the jump and floating one. Let's check it out. How does this one work? So when I click on the flag, it will say, hi, I'm in the magical forest, blah, blah, blah. Let's go and collect. Now it's following the mouse. Here it goes. Here it goes. What do you think? That's nice. Let's make it more clean. Let's make it more interesting. So how we are going to make it more interesting? I'm going to put a separate um, backdrop for start. So what I'm gonna choose it, I'm gonna do is I'm gonna click on the backdrop here and then choose the backdrops there. And I'm gonna choose the starting backdrop like this. Now I'm gonna assign you a task. I want you to use this rectangle to build 2 buttons and make the buttons as start and end and choose your own colors. You can fuse the fill color from here and choose any color of your choice, whatever you want, whatever seems interesting to you, and